Hey, it's Morgan from WTI, and these paw thumb grips for your Nintendo Switch are so cute. These are from eXtremeRate. It comes with a set of 4, so you get 2 green and 2 yellow. I mean, look how cute these are. The matcha green is so cute. Those are my personal favorite, but also look at these yellow. They are so adorable. You can use all one color, or you can switch it up. The paws are raised a little bit, so they feel really great when you play. You get a good grip on there. They are so easy to put on. I love a good thumb grip because when you're playing a lot, it just makes it so much more comfortable, and then your Joy-Cons last longer. And I love to add that personal touch to your gaming aesthetic, and they're so cute. They make a great gift for yourself or for a friend. They are so adorable. I really love them. I've had them for a long time now, and they've held up so well. They're so great to use. I use them all the time. The color scheme is so cute and so fun. I love these thumb grips from eXtremeRate, and that's my point of view.